The enemies of Shangó prayer. Onibara babara eyebara, kikate adifa funkafu aro ofo tinshe eroya eya afanyu obe kikate. Ibo offering. 16 elegede pumpkins. The sheet from his bed, 2 hens, a goat, 2 bottles of oti, liquor, and a lot of money. Patakin, story. Shangó had to travel to a land because he needed to solve a problem. However, he had many enemies in that land, but he still had to go. When he arrived, he found his enemies scattered everywhere, forcing him to return quickly. When Shangó reached his town, the first thing he did was visit the house of Orúnmila. Orúnmila looked at him, consulted Ifa, and told him that he needed to make an ebo with a black cat and other ingredients. Shangó performed the ebo, and Orúnmila advised him, "When you approach that land, look for a hill nearby. Make sure to arrive at night and place the cat in front of the chair." Shangó set off on his journey. When he arrived, the night was very dark. He climbed to the top of the hill, which overlooked the entire town. In the darkness of the night, the cat's eyes glowed intensely. Seeing this, Shangó's enemies, who never rested, were terrified and fled. The entire town retreated to their homes, believing it was something from another world. At that moment, Shangó was able to enter and resolve his problem. Note: one must be cautious when traveling, as old conflicts may lead to revenge.